So you're telling me Indian baddies are having a moment and I'll let you sleep on it? No way. So hey guys, I'm Ritika and you're watching me on BeBeautiful. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the ultimate Indian baddie transformation where modern glam gets a desi twist. For this look, skin is everything. From our mothers to our grandmothers, Indian beauty has always put great emphasis on having good skin. So we'll be going for that hydrated, lit from within base. Starting with a lightweight moisturizer, I'm using the simple replenishing rich moisturizer, followed by a glowy primer on the high points of my face. You want your skin to look fresh and dewy, not matte or flat. Going to keep our base natural but perfected. I'm doing my regular color correction routine. I've done a full tutorial on this, so go check it out if you haven't already. I'm using a lightweight foundation with medium coverage like the Lakme Vitamin C Super Glow Skin Perfecting Tint in warm beige. I'm also going to go a bit heavy on the cream blush for this look and then set everything in place using the Lakme Rouge Bloom Setting Powder in Almond. It's amazing to see that makeup has now expanded to include diverse skin tones, giving us all a chance to express ourselves without fitting into a norm set for centuries. This is where the true desi girl comes in. Start with a neutral brown eyeshadow and blend it softly into the crease. Take the Lakme Absolute Shadow Stick in Sunset Gold and apply it on the center of the lid and on the inner corners. Take the gold eyeshadow from the Lakme Ultimate Glam Eyeshadow Palette in Sun Kiss and swipe it generously all over the lid using your finger. Using your fingers allows you to have greater control and gives you more pigment. This is where you channelize your inner baddie and have fun while you're doing this. It doesn't really have to be perfect. You can then use a brush to diffuse the edges and blend it into the brown. I'm also using the same eyeshadow as highlighter and connecting it slightly to the eyeshadow, again being very generous with the application. Now I go in with kohl or gel eyeliner. I'm using the Lakme Iconic Kajal with an angled brush to draw out a smoky wing. You can smudge it out for that slightly undone sultry effect. It's very quintessentially Indian in my opinion and enhances the natural color of our eyes as well. Of course, we can't forget mascara. I'm using the Lakme Iconic Mascara and layering it to build big voluminous lashes. We're keeping the lips soft and glossy. Use a brown lip liner to define your lips and top it off with a gloss or a creamy lipstick. I want the lips to look super juicy, so I'm using the L18 OMG lip gloss in Brownie Babe. This is what elevates a look from basic to Indian baddie. We're adding rhinestones, lots of them. You can go classic or experiment with shapes, throw on some jhumkas, a nose ring or layered necklaces. I'm adding a classic over-the-top bindi on the forehead for this one. You can experiment with what works best for you and your look and really have fun with this part. These tiny details instantly bring in that Indian identity while still keeping the makeup modern. Since this look is going to be all about embracing your natural features, I won't be doing much to my hair and I'll be leaving my curls out and proud. I'm doing a slightly slick half up, half down hairstyle using a bit of gel if needed. Indian baddies aren't a trend, we've always been the blueprint, and now that everyone in the world is catching up on it, we're finally getting the credit that's been long overdue. So why not seize the opportunity and master it? If you love this look, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to BeBeautiful. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.